A mason wants to be sure she has a right corner in a building's foundation. She marks a point 3 feet from the corner along one wall and another point 4 feet from the corner along the other wall. If the corner is a right angle, what should the distance be between the two marked points? You can see that this forms a right triangle with one leg 3 feet, one leg 4 feet, and a hypotenuse of x feet. We'll begin by familiarizing ourselves with the situation. In this case, we have been given a sketch of a right triangle, and we know one leg is 3, one leg is 4, and we are trying to find the distance x. Since we have a right triangle, we can translate using the Pythagorean theorem. We have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. Now we can move to the third step, which is to carry out. In this case, we want to solve for x. We have 3 squared, which is 9, 4 squared, which is 16. That equals x squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. Now this is a quadratic equation. So let's get 0 on one side of the equation and solve. Subtracting 25 from both sides, we have 0 equals x squared minus 25. And then we can factor. 0 equals x plus 5 times x minus 5. Setting each of these equal to 0, we have x plus 5 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. And this tells us then that x equals negative 5, or x equals 5. Now, since we're talking about a real problem with distances, we're not going to use the negative number. We're going to check our answer 5. If the distance, the hypotenuse, is 5 feet, then we would have 3 squared plus 4 squared, and we check to see, does that equal 5 squared? Well, we have 9 plus 16, and that does equal 25, so our answer checks. So we say and state as the last step, the distance is 5 feet.